Direct milling or optic plate. These are all the slides we have used, and it all comes down to which offers good zero retention and tight points of contact to handle hard recoil without the optic flying off the slide. While setting screw torque is important, here are some reasons why direct milling is always a better option if possible. Direct milling can only fit one particular optic footprint, and it offers the tightest handgun optic mount. It wedges the optic in place, and it's not going anywhere. To make it even tighter, recoil index posts lock in the optic, preventing lateral shift, and also relieve shear stress on the mounting screws if you ever do something like charging the slide against a hard surface. The purpose here is to retain zero, but if the optic shifts on the slide, then everything changes. Be sure to always torque each mounting screw to spec with a little bit of blue Loctite, using a precision tool like the Real Avid or Fix-It sticks. Generally, they are between 10 to 15 inch-pounds, so you don't over-torque or accidentally strip the screw. Please check out these tools in the link below. There are many milling services available across the country. Some of the best ones are ATEI, Jagerworks, and CH Precision. Other options include buying pre-cut slides. Some even have built-in tall index posts where the screw threads have a more gripping surface, like this one here for the RMRCC on the Glock 43. As far as optic plates go, there are three types. Filler plate offers the tightest fitting if they are well machined. The adapter plate is less ideal, but it gets the job done. A dovetail plate replaces the rear sight, and it's not recommended since it sits the optic too high on the slide. For example, on the FN509, this one-piece plate fits much tighter with front and rear fences instead of using the two-piece OEM mounting plates. Here is the 509T plate for the Walther PDP that wedges tight in the optic cut, so the optic can clamp onto it. The worst optic plates are the ones that slightly rotate on the slide, which also makes the optic shift. Now two parts are moving, which can make zeroing very difficult if the optic is constantly moving just so slightly on the slide. Optic plates offer optimization upgrades for firearms like the Springfield Echelon with one-size-fits-all optic cut. While the slide can fit various optics, they aren't wedged in tight like direct milling. Sometimes these small parts can get easily lost in the armory. These are the major benefits of using direct milling and optic plates. It's all about retaining the best zero on your optic-ready handgun. If you like this content, you can watch this one next.